Truth. Occasional back cracking is usually harmless and may release gas bubbles in the joints, just like when you crack your knuckles. But be careful. If you force it or do it too often, you can strain muscles or damage joints. If there's pain, tingling, or numbness, seek medical advice. Best practice: let trained professionals handle spinal manipulations. Royal Wound Care Center myth, busted by a